Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel again. Thanks for joining me and thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. My name is Sherry Mark. This is where we learn Kikuyu. This is where we learn how to speak words in Kikuyu, how to pronounce words in Kikuyu, and everything about my Kikuyu language. Thank you so much for those who have been subscribing to this channel. For the new subscribers, thank you so much and welcome to this channel. Feel at home and drop your comments down there if you have any wish or any comment or just any critique or whatever you want to tell me. Just make sure you keep your communication going. And yeah, for the loyal subscribers or for those who have been with me for a long time, I still appreciate so much and I am so glad that we are still moving on together, and I cannot wait to have more and more in this Kikuyu channel. Now, in case you are wondering why I have this watch or this clock here, today we're going to learn about time. We're going to learn how we ask time, how we ask what time it is in Kikuyu, and of course we're going to learn time in Kikuyu. So keep tuned. Take your cup of coffee, take your cup of tea, and make yourself comfortable. And now let's begin. Now, before I go to this clock, we're going to learn some basics. And the first thing we're going to learn is how do we call hours in Kikuyu. Hours are called mother, hours. Those are many hours, like plural, mother. Now, let's say 1 hour. An hour or 1 hour is called either. Now, we have seen 1 hour or the singular form of hour, either. The plural form of hour or hours is called mother, either, mother. Now, the other thing we're going to learn is how we call minutes in Kikuyu. Minutes are called dakika, 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 dakika. Now, let's say for example you want to ask somebody, what time is it? What time is it? According to this watch now, we can see it's just slightly like 1, 2 or 3 minutes to 4. Now, let's say for example I want to tell someone it is 4 p.m. Nĩ thaa ikũmi cia hwaĩ-inĩ. Nĩ thaa, it is ikũmi, 4 cia hwaĩ-inĩ. It is 4 p.m. in the evening. It is 4 p.m. in the evening. Now, in Kikuyu, we always have to specify, is it morning? Is it evening? That's why you hear me saying, ikũmi cia hwaĩ-inĩ. Ikũmi cia hwaĩ-inĩ. That meaning it is 4 p.m. in the evening. Let's say, for example, it would have been 4 a.m. in the morning. If it is 4 a.m. in the morning, that means I'd say nĩ thaa, it is ikũmi cia roshine. Ni thaa ikũmi cia roshine. Ni thaa ikũmi cia roshine. You see, I say roshine hwaine. Roshine hwaine. Roshine meaning it is morning. Morning hours. It is 4 a.m. in the morning. It is 4 a.m. in the morning. Ni thaa ikũmi cia roshine. Roshine hwaine. There is, okay, now we have to keep in mind there is morning, there is evening, there is night, and what else? There is afternoon. Now, morning is called roshine. Roshine. Morning is called roshine. Now, night is called otuko. 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 Otuko is night. Because, for example, if I want to say it is 1 a.m. or no, let's say I want to say it is 11 p.m. at night. This is how I say it. Ni thaa ithano ciotuko. Ni thaa ithano ciotuko. Ni thaa ithano ciotuko. It is 11 p.m. at night. It is 11 at night. Ni thaa ithano ciotuko. Otuko we said is night. Morning we said is roshine. Ni thaa ikũmi cia roshine. Ikũmi meaning it's 4 in the morning. Ni thaa ikũmi cia roshine. Now, for example, you want to say it is in the evening. Evening is called hwaine. Evening is called hwaine. Let's say, for example, I want to say it is 5 p.m. in the evening. It is 5 p.m. in the evening. Ni thaa ikũmi na ĩmwe. Ikũmi na ĩmwe is 5 p.m. Ni thaa ikũmi na ĩmwe cia hwaine. Ni thaa ikũmi na ĩmwe cia hwaine. Ni thaa, it is this time, you know, it is like when you are asking, what time is it? Now, I want to say it is ni thaa ikũmi na ĩmwe. It is 5 p.m. in the evening. Ikũmi na ĩmwe cia hwaine. Hwaine. Hwaine is evening. Hwaine is evening. Now, let's go to something else. It is, for example, 12 midday. 12 midday or even 1 in the 1 at lunchtime or afternoon. It is 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Now, for example, I want to say it is 12 noon. Ni thaa thita cia mũthenya. Ni thaa thita cia mũthenya. Mũthenya is noon. Mũthenya is noon. Ni thaa thita, it is 12 noon. Ni thaa thita cia mũthenya. Thita, thaa thita is 12 noon. Cia mũthenya, noon. Noon, which we said is mũthenya. If you want to say it is 1 p.m. No, okay, it is 1 p.m. at the day or in the afternoon. Nĩ thaa mũgwanja, nĩ thaa mũgwanja cia mũthenya. Nĩ thaa mũgwanja, it is 1 p.m. noon. Nĩ thaa mũgwanja, mũgwanja is 1 p.m. noon. Mũthenya, mũthenya is noon. Morning, rũcinĩ. Evening is hwaĩ-inĩ. Ũtukũ is night. Now, those are some of the basics we can learn as we get to know how we say so and so, it is such and such a time. Now, we're going to go to this clock of mine here, and I'm going to go very quick and just tell you how we pronounce or how we say times in Kikuyu. Now, as you can look in this clock, we have 12, we have 9, we have 3, and we have 6. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to start from 6, meaning I'm starting from 6 in the morning. As I told you, morning is Roshine. Morning is Roshine. So, 6 morning is Vinashara Shia Roshine. Vinashara Shia Roshine. That's 6 a.m. in the morning. Vinashara Shia Roshine. Now, 7 a.m. 7 a.m. is Da Emwe Ya Roshine. Da Emwe Ya Roshine. Da Emwe 7 p.m. You might notice I'm not saying as it is according to the numbers. I'm saying the opposite, like emwe, emwe, da emwe. Emwe is up here, which should be meaning 1 p.m. if translated to English. But in Kikuyu, it is the other way round. So normally I should be saying 7 a.m., which we say da emwe. This one is down here, just parallel opposite to this. One is opposite parallelly. It is opposite, directly opposite to 7. So it is like you say the other way round. Da emwe shia roshine. That's 7 in the morning. 8. 8 is da yere shia roshine. Da yere shia roshi. I'm sorry. I have to stop this. Excuse me, I have to repeat that once again. Now, 8 is da yere shia roshine. Igere. What is directly opposite to 8? 2. 2 is directly opposite to 8. So, in English, we would be saying, well, in English, we say it is 8 p.m. And in Kikuyu, we say it is daigere, igere, which is 8 p.m. Igere, igere meaning 2. But igere, when you are speaking about da igere, it's 8 in the morning. Now, 9 in the morning. 9 is called Daidato Shia Roshine. Idato, you see, that's Idato. But we are speaking about 9 a.m. in the morning. So it is always the opposite, parallel opposite, directly opposite. Da is a to shia roshine. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. we would be saying ne da inya shia roshine. Inya. 4. You see, the opposite of 10 is 4. Da inya shia roshine. 11 in the morning or 11 before noon. Dai dano shia modenya. Dai dano shia modenya. Of which 11 can be noon. No, not really noon, but it can be called like 11 during the day. So we can say Dai dano shia modenya, which we say it is noon or it is maybe during the day. Modenya. 12. Da dita shia modenya. Da dita shia modenya. Dita is 6. You see? 6. And how this is how we say 12. Dita. Da dita shia modenya. Now we are going from morning to noon. So we are already at modenya, which we said is noon or during the day. So roshine is from here to around noon. The rest between here and around here is modenya, or between here and around 2 or 3 is still modenya. Now 1 p.m. Da mogwaja shia modenya. Da mogwaja parallel opposite to 7. Mogwaja shia modenya. Now 2. Da inyanya shia modenya. Da inyanya shia modenya. Inyanya meaning 8. If you translate time in Kikuyu, you have to use, like, you have to translate it directly or opposite of, okay, time in Kikuyu, let me be short here. Time is in Kikuyu is like the opposite of time in English. Like now you see 2 p.m. is 8 a.m. So meaning when you are saying 2 p.m. you should just think about, it's not 2. You should pronounce it as 8. What is directly opposite to 2? It's 8. Da inyanya, which is the meaning of 8. But in reality, in Kikuyu, we call that 2 p.m. 3 p.m. 3 p.m. is called Da keda shia modenya. Da keda shia modenya. Keda is 9. You see? 9 is directly opposite to 3. Now 4 p.m. 4 p.m. p.m. Now we are moving from roshine modenya and coming to evening, which we said evening is called hwaine. Now 4 is daikomi shia hwaine. Daikomi. Da is time. Da meaning time. What time? Which time? Shigana. Daikomi shia hwaine. 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Ikomine. Da ikumi n'emwe, which is 11 in English. Ikumi n'emwe cia hwaine. Da ikumi n'emwe cia hwaine. 6 p.m. Vinashara. I think 6 is the only hour that doesn't collide with 12. So you see, Vinashara is not how we call 12 in English. So Vinashara is the only hour that we use a very complex Kikuyu word. So we say 6 p.m. is Vinashara cia hwaine. Vinashara cia hwaine. Now 7 p.m. at night or evening. Da imwe. Look at that. We are still what I told you. 1. If you want to say da imwe, you have to look at what is parallel opposite to 7 p.m. It's 1. So we call da imwe cia hwaine. 7 p.m. can be hwaine or otuko, depending on where you are situated. Da imwe cia hwaine. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. at night is da igere. You see again, 2. Igere cia otuko. Now we have moved from hwaine, evening, going to close the day at night. Da igere cia otuko. Da igere cia otuko. Now 9 p.m. at night. 9 p.m. at night is da idatu cia otuko. Da idatu cia otuko. 10 p.m. is da inya cia otuko. Da inya cia otuko. You see, the opposite is 4. So we say inya, meaning 4, but it's not 4, it's 22 hours. It is 10 p.m. Da inya cia otuko. Cia otuko. Da inya cia otuko. 11, 23 hours. 11 or 11 p.m. Da idano. 5. It's like 5 in English. Da idano cia otuko. Da idano cia otuko. Now the last what we are going to learn is midnight or 12 a.m. at night. 12 at night or midnight is da vita, meaning 6, which I said is the opposite. Da vita cia otuko. Da vita cia otuko. Da vita cia otuko. And that binds up the whole clock system and the whole time. I hope you are able to understand, and I hope now if someone asks you what time is it, you can be able to answer in Kikuyu and even tell them it is, like for example now it is 4, it's 4:15. You can be able to say it is da ikomi na dareka ikomi na idano. dai komi, which we said is 4 p.m. Na dareka, like you want to say it is with 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes past 4. Da ikomi, na dareka ikomi na idano. Na dareka ikomi na idano. Now, let's say you want to say it is 4:30. Da ikomi na nudu. Nudu is 30 minutes. It's half past or 30 minutes past 4, past 2, past 1. Da ikomi na nudu. Da vita na nudu. Da mogwaja na nudu. Da igere na nudu. Nudu is always half, meaning half an hour. Nudu. If you wait for somebody for half an hour, you say nudu ida. Nudu, which is half. Ida we said is hour, half an hour. Nudu ida. Nudu ida. Now, let's say you want to say it's 5 minutes past 6. It's 5 minutes past 6. Neither nevinashara na dareka idano. Nevinashara na dareka idano. It is 5 minutes past 6. You can even say in another version, it's 5 minutes past 6. You can say nevinashara ehetokete dareka idano. Nevinashara ehetokete dareka idano. It is 5 minutes past 6. Ehetokete is like past 6. 5 minutes past 6. Nevinashara ehetokete dareka idano. Yeah. Now, I don't know if there is anything else we can learn from time or from our clock system. Yes, apart from half an hour, like being specific to minutes past 6 to 6. Okay, let's say for example you want to say it's 1:45. Okay, let's use 2. It's 1:45, or it's 20 minutes to, or it's 5 minutes to, 10 minutes to 6, or 5 or 4. Okay, let's say we want to say it's 5 minutes to 4. Ne dai komi etigetie dareka idano. It's that hour that is coming ahead, and it's like 5 minutes remaining to that hour that's coming. It's like, okay, it's a bit complex. It's a bit complex to explain, but I'm trying to use an easier version. Okay, let's say you want to say it's 11:45. 11:45. Ne da vita etigetie dareka ikomi naidano. Ne da vita etigetie dareka. It's 15 minutes to 12. Ne da vita, you have to refer to that upcoming hour and then go back to the minutes that are left. That's how we refer to 2 minutes to, 5 minutes to, 20 minutes to, 30 minutes to, and so on and so forth. So you always have to go back to the hour and then count the minutes, and that's how you you come up with the time. Now, for example, you want to say it's 20 minutes to 12. It's 20 minutes to 12. Ne da vita etigaretie dakika mirongo iri. Ne da vita etigaretie dakika mirongo iri. Mirongo iri is 20. Dakika is minutes. Da vita is 12. It's 12 to it's 20 minutes to 12. Yes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end this video right away, and it's my hope that you are able to learn. If you have any questions, feel free to use the comment section down there. Don't forget to keep subscribing to this channel and even sharing to your friends and families, and even don't forget to leave your comments down there. I love to read something from you, and I always appreciate to hear I'm with somebody, like I am speaking to somebody, or I'm teaching something and it's coming over to you. So don't forget to use the comment section down there. Subscribe, share this video, and if there is anything you want me to do, or if anything you have any ideas, let me know. With those few words, thanks so much. I wish you all a beautiful weekend. I hope you are enjoying wherever you are. I'm very much sorry for this video because it has become a bit long than I expected. But anyways, let's keep learning, and till next time, have a beautiful weekend and goodbye.